remote machine is reachable from our local machine. Let's try to log into our local machine using password. You can see we can log in to our remote machine. So we need two major component to make a SSH working: public key and private key. This is like a lock and key combination. It is unique combination, means you cannot use different private key against different public key. Public key must be present in remote machine and private key must be present in your local machine. Private key is supposed to be kept secret. If someone get access to your private key, he can log into any system where your relevant public key is installed. So first we will be generating a new public and private key combination. In Linux machine need to use the command ssh-keygen. There is two encryption mechanism. One is RSA, another is DSA. We will be using RSA in this case. This is confirming the file save path, asking for passphrase to protect the private key. Okay, now we have public key and the private key. We have to copy the public key file to remote machine authorizes key file. Let me show you how you are gonna find authorized underscore key file in remote machine. First, log into remote machine using password. So authorized underscore key file must be present under users.ssh folder. So you can see this is not present here, so it is okay to create the folder and the file. So here we are gonna put our remote machine. So id underscore rsa dot pub file contain the public key file. We need to copy this file to remote machines authorized underscore key file. So this is our local machine. We are gonna copy, and here we are gonna paste. So now our public key is installed in local machine, in remote machine. So we will try to log in to remote machine without password. First log out from the remote machine. Let's try to log in again. Okay, it is asking for the passphrase. Okay, now you can see we are logged in to the remote machine. So there is another way to install the public key file to the remote machine. Let me remove the public key file. So if we log out and try to log in again, it will ask for the password. Okay, so let's we will be using the command ssh-copy-id command to install the public key file to remote machine automatically. ssh-copy-id. It will ask for the password. So you can see the key file is installed, so we can try again. So you can see we are logged in to the remote machine without password. I'll be adding more useful tips and tricks. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you. Bye.